Morning everyone.
Morning.
Well, it's not really morning, it's noon.
Yes.
But we slept in a bit today.
But also our times are different.
Yeah.
So
1 hour forward.
I woke up at 10 a.m, which was technically 9 a.m.
Yeah. So we've changed time zones an hour forward. So so we're lagging a bit behind today, but that's okay. We slept in, relaxed, and we're heading to Lenox Square, which is a mall. We're going to have Cheesecake Factory today. We had Cheesecake Factory the first time when we visited 4 years ago, and we'd like to have it again to see if it's as good as we remember, and maybe this time try some sort of cake or a cheesecake.
We don't have much planned today.
We don't have anything planned today except for obviously eating and a little bit of shopping. And if I feel like it, and I get bored with shopping, I might go and check out Buckhead Cigars, which is right by the mall, which is very convenient. So we're in the Cheesecake Factory, and Karen got herself, what is this?
Bistro shrimp pasta.
Bistro shrimp pasta, and I got myself what they call the bang bang chicken prawn, which is a Thai peanut curry with rice. Everything is better with rice and shrimp. Everything's better with rice or Italian noodles. See Italian noodles? Take a bite. Thank you. How was it? Good? Alright, hits a spot. There we go. So I've finished, but Karen is struggling to finish. She's slowing down. Oh, there you go. She's gonna throw in the towel.
We're at a buffet called Nori Nori. What's on your plate?
We have a fish. I don't even know what kind of fish it is. It's massive, but it's got the silkiest meat. I have beef rib bulgogi. That is exceptional. Exceptional.
We had some crawfish, as you can see by the damage.
As you can see, we have. I'm eating Sebastian under the sheet.
No.
Okay, fine. And then I love kimchi, especially when it's turnip kimchi. So I took a shitload of kimchi. And I have spicy Korean pork. So I'm going to show you.
Miso soup.
After we eat, I'm going to take you through the buffet. And I'll show you the vast amount of sushi, seafood, and normal food and dessert they have. It's actually really good.
Yeah.
Really good.
This is my plate. I'm on my. This is our second serving. So this is all the sushi. Actually, this is only like an eighth of the range that they have, but this is what I have on my plate right now. And it's really good.
That's green tea ice cream.
Green tea or matcha?
It says green tea, but green tea and matcha is kind of the same.
It's not.
Kind of the same. Karen's sick, she doesn't know what she's talking about. She's delirious. She doesn't even know where she is.
I do feel a bit delirious.
Yeah. This is the grill section, and here's my little cup of miso. So I've just finished eating. I'm going to take you on a tour. That kimchi is awesome. Right? So you have Korean, Japanese, Oriental type of cuisine here. Fantastic. Fantastic. I've never seen a giant pile of beef tataki ever. Now, I don't know what this is. Oh, halibut. There you go. I had a lot of that. Beef rib. Seafood galore. Crawfish, fantastic. Squid. Bulgogi, sukiyaki. And we have vanilla ice cream and green tea ice cream. And here is the crepe station. You can order whatever crepe you want. And here we have the dessert. A lot of dessert. Now I'm gonna take you to sashimi. To sashimi land. Shrimp, raw oysters, crab, sashimi. Oh, look at that. Wasabi station. This is a pretty exciting sushi area. Pretty damn delicious. Pretty damn delicious. This, what are you eating?
This is like a pork shawarma. But for me, the revolutionary thing is this salad.
Yeah.
It is called, I've got the name down here.
Oh, Karen's researching it.
Because I really like it. It's called hijiki salad.
Hijiki salad.
It tastes like it's made from dried seaweed.
Like nori.
Yeah, but there's also mushroom in there. And it's sesame-ish. So there's sesame seeds in there. I don't know, to me it tastes really nice.
I agree. I've had it and it's delicious.
So I've had to have some more. And I had a sushi version of that as well.
Karen's done to dessert. So Karen's dessert is more savory.
I want to try the green tea ice cream that you demolished without me.
Okay, I will get another one because I'm going to think of getting a crepe. I'm going to get a crepe, a chocolate crepe with vanilla ice cream, but I'm going to get you a little thing of green tea ice cream, okay? All right. All right. So here's a crepe, vanilla ice cream, and Karen's matcha.
Is it matcha now?
Green tea, same thing. What do you think? You like it? Not bad, eh? Not too strong a flavor of green tea / matcha, which is the same thing, but it's
Sorry.
it's pretty good. Not bad. Yeah.
It's about 9:30. Stop coughing. Actually, don't get me started. We're both still sick. I'm still really sick. I was feeling awful today. I went for dinner at Nori Nori, which was really nice. I really liked it. I actually thought it was a bit better than my Kino in Vegas. I just thought the hot food was a lot better. Like, they had crab and I don't know, it just seemed better quality to me, the way it was cooked, or just better cooked, should I say. I'm going to take some medication now, I'm going to have a bath, and I'm going to sleep. And as you also saw, we did drive around Midtown and downtown just to have a look to see what it's like, because we decided not to stay there, and so we didn't know when we will get a chance to actually take a look at the area. So tomorrow's our last full day in Atlanta before we leave for Orlando. Well, thanks for watching everyone, and you can take a look to see what we are up to tomorrow. Bye!